Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. In this episode, let me give you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the final trading day of the year 31st March 2022. So before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. So now this video is powered by Upstock, a leading stockbroker with the state-of-the-art trading platform. So if anybody wants to open a account trading as well as demat, I have provided you the link in the description, so you can follow the description and then click on the link to open the account with Upstock, a leading stockbroker. So let me come to the Nifty levels first. So in the beginning, Nifty opened gap up today around 17,540, 550 levels, and the gap up has not sustained. So you can see on the chart, uh, Nifty opened a gap up and there was no follow on buying from there. So now currently the Nifty is at the upper range of the pivot, that is around 17,484, and the pivot is placed around, so pivot is placed around 17,460, and for the day, 17,533 is going to be a major resistance, followed by 17,594. These two levels are going to be the big resistances on the upside. On the downside, if it breaks the pivot level, central pivot point, that is 17,460, there is a chance that it can retest the level of 17,398. And the next support is placed at around 17,326. So what should be your strategy for Nifty today? So there is a chance that Nifty can take support at the pivot, that is 17,460. You can buy at around 17,460 for a higher target of 17,533. If it breaks pivot, then I advise you to go short on Nifty. So let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. The Bank Nifty chart is Bank Nifty is trading currently at around 36,412, below the important resistance level of 36,470. Morning it opened gap up, did not sustain. So there is a chance that it can retest the pivot, the central pivot, so that is 36,272. But if it is continuously trading above the central pivot, that is 36,272, you can buy Bank Nifty at lower levels for a higher target of 36,470 and then followed by 36,959. Okay, so these are the levels for Bank Nifty today. Now let me come to the Nifty open interest. So what is Nifty open interest suggesting? So you can see the Nifty open interest chart. So Nifty call open interest is highest at 17,600, and at the lower level you can see 17,500. So highest call build up, that is change in open interest, has taken place at these levels. So these two levels are going to be important resistances. So let me also come on the put side. There is hardly any change in open interest. So let me come to the open interest. Now highest open interest build up is around 17,500, 500. So you can see at 17,500. Yeah. Next, you can see on the put side, the highest open interest is 17,000. So there is a wide range between 17,000 to 17,500. Next, put writing has taken place yesterday at around 17,400. For the week, 17,400 to 17,500. And today is the important expiry day. So it will be ranging between 17,400 to 17,600 because there is also call build up at that level. Now, let me come to the important data points. So let me focus on the data points. You can see FII positions. FIIs are net long. So you can see FIIs. FIIs are net long. So this is FII data, and FIIs are net long on futures, which is indicating that market can go higher. Then compared to calls, they're long on puts. Comparatively almost the same, but they're long on puts. They hedge their index positions. And on the short side, so they have shorted the puts. And when it comes to the DIIs are short in the index, and they hardly have any long positions. Okay, DIIs are not suggesting anything. But when it comes to retail clients, most of the retail clients are long on index, Nifty index, and they have got puts. Okay, they have got very high level of puts. So there is a chance that market can go higher from this point of time. And what is the level? Up to 17,600 or 17,800 can be the target. Okay, so now let me proceed further. So I close this. Yeah, let me come to the NSE FII data. So FIIs have sold. You can see very clearly they have sold 8,913, and they purchased 10,271 crores. So net on net 1,357 crores they are positive. So they have purchased. So there can be a chance of market moving higher, and even DIIs are biased. So FIIs, DIIs are net biased. So there is a chance that Nifty can go higher from these levels. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the final trading day of the financial year. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are planning to open an demat account and trading account, please see the description box. I have provided you the link of Upstock, a leading stockbroker and a trustworthy broker. So thank you for watching this episode. Have a nice trading day and have a nice expiry today. Thank you.